you are. And so I see your messages and I'm going to start answering them rather than just trying to keep them because it just takes so long before I come back to you. So I've been getting a lot of questions about work. A lot of you say I've graduated from university or I've just finished my master's and I just don't know what to do. I hope you're having a good week, whether you have a job or not. Don't worry. I read your comments and some of you really make me laugh. One of you said, I'm tired of being poor. You know who you are, and that really cracked me up. Don't worry. You're not always going to be poor. With the law, sky's your limit. I always say that. It just takes time to get there. So you might be poor for some time, but hold on. The riches are coming. Just be consistent. Read harder. Research. If you want to go for further education, as you've asked me, definitely go for it. The more education you have on paper, the better. But if you definitely need to grab a job, I say grab it now. You're never too late with law. That's my son. Come say hello to my YouTube. Come.
Hello YouTube.
I like that.
Come good.
To YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
He says hi YouTube. How tall are you?
Yeah, 16.
Many of you asked, what do I do with my degree? What do I do with an LLM? I have put that down in, I think, 2 videos, alternative careers to practicing law. And I want you to go and watch those again. I was very general, so I didn't basically say, attend this particular, firm, attend that particular firm. So I said things like, try your local authority, try insurance companies. These are places that you can apply to get work. It might be that I do another video, an updated video, where I break down places that you can actually apply to, and also try and get some people on my channel to explain what they do for a living. They're lawyers, but just basically tell you what they have done with their degree. That might be very helpful. If you want to see that happen, let me know. Leave a comment. For you who also say to me, when do I start making money? I'm tired of being poor. I see your comments. Just keep on this track. You will make money. Listen, you get to a point where money wouldn't be your issue anymore. As long as you got good experience and as long as you're a good lawyer. Because sometimes people just are not good lawyers. And sometimes people have experience, but they just don't know how to apply their experience. And sometimes people have experience, but they don't have a good personality. All of these things make you employable. And also, if you wanted to start your own business, make for people to like you. And even if you don't want to start your own business, I told you in another video that barristers are self-employed. Many solicitors are self-employed as well. Not all solicitors work in the city. The city has its own problems as well. Long hours and all of that. I explained all of that to you as well, where you can lose your family, lose your friends, which is the same thing with this whole law thing. It's a lot of work. You can see how tired I am, but it's good work. It's very profitable and it makes you feel better. Like today, my clients are just saying, thank you, thank you, thank you. I came home and I got text messages saying, thank you. That just really made me happy. So, concerning where you should work, I would say look around you. There are firms that you can walk into, send CVs. We get like 200 CVs every year at least. CVs from a variety of people. We get CVs from people who just left secondary school and have decided to take a gap year, to people who just want work experience, to people who have finished university, people who are in university, and all of that. As solicitors, we're responsible for our work. So you cannot say I'm a solicitor, but my paralegal or my secretary or my assistant is going to be responsible. And I say this again and again and again. So you have to be so good that you can work on your own. And you'll find that when you apply for jobs, they would normally say, can you work on your own? Because in the legal field, once you can work on your own, you're a better asset than people just supervising you and you're typing and all of that. You're not a legal secretary, except you want to be a legal secretary. But look for the firms around you. Ask them, do you want a secretary? Do you want me to help with tidying your files? Do you want me to help with typing? The reason why that is good is because it gives you first-hand experience as to how a law firm works. Many of you want to be lawyers, but you don't even know what a law firm looks like. All you have seen is suits and all this other drama where people are wearing high shoes and all of that. The legal profession is not always glamorous. Most times, especially when I have my hearings and they're like for 4 days, 3 days, you're not catwalking, you're practically sprinting from one room to the other room trying to see if you can settle a case. So I would say find out how law firms work, speak to lawyers, watch this channel, subscribe, like. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed, you who have liked, and it just makes the videos to move more. Watch them, grab a cup of tea, coffee, whatever, but please watch them to the end because you will get information. I'm going to come back to my videos where I'm giving you 5 reasons to do ABC, 6 reasons to do that and that, and all of that. But for now, I'm going to be doing more of vlogs because it's easier for me just to whip out the camera and speak to you. I hope I know where the camera is on this phone. If not, I'm just going to be looking everywhere. One eye is going to be looking at you and the other eye is going to be looking for you. But it's been really nice talking to you. Like I said, please look for jobs around you. Walk in, say, do you have a job for me? Can I observe you? Can I help? Can I get some experience? Go to Citizens Advice Bureau. Look for 1 hour jobs, 2 hours jobs. There are jobs like that where you go to a law clinic and you help them for 1 hour, 2 hours. It makes you to be more interested in the law. It makes you want to do more. It makes you want to pick up books. It makes you want to study the law. It's such a good job as a lawyer, and there are so many jobs that you can do except for being a solicitor and a barrister. You can work in the NHS, you can deal with contracts, many jobs. Don't look just at law firms, especially when you are not experienced. I'm going to talk to you in another video why you are not employed, but I will make that a more focused video. For now, I'm gonna say bye. Arrivederci. At least this allows for me to have a video up. Do not forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye now. Bye.